What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little install video for the new daily. Alright, today we're going to be installing the new GDI system. I'm sure you guys have seen this everywhere. Zaj just made a video about it. Honda Street Garage. It's been very popular, especially after the Honda meet. But plug and play, push start kit. I like the original one. The upgraded one's nice, but this one lights up blue and it just looks better. There's the push start kit and the little sensor, so to speak. And those little, I don't even know what any of this is, but there's the little card you put in your wallet and a couple key fobs. And then we'll mix it plug and play. Alright, perfect. Let's get this install underway. Alright, first things first. Gotta remove this little panel right here. And I have to remove the steering column one. And then we can start getting into the harness and stuff. Alright, what you want to do is remove this 210s from the plate, and that will give you access to the harness back here that we're going to be using. Alright, these are the two plugs you're going to be looking for. This brown one right there, and this one right here. Unplug these two, and then follow this, and then take off the ignition right there. Alright, I got the plugs out. This right here, focus, is being a pain in the ass. This sucks. Alright, after beating it like it owed me money for a little bit, ignition is out. You see why it took everything to get this off. It sucks. I'm so glad I'm removing this shit. Never again. Now, time to install the new harness. Ooh, focus. Alright, got the brake switch plugged on. Got the harness plugged in here. Now it's just time to wire up the ground and then clean up everything and then connect it to the module and then see if this thing works. Alright, don't mind the mess. I'm just testing it out before I go through the struggle of cleaning it all up. But there's the little sensor. I deactivated it. 2 clicks means it's ready to go. Press the brake. Boom. There it goes. Focus. Come on. The camera sucks when it comes to autofocus. There it goes. And then, boom. Works like a dream. Alright, time to clean this all up and then show you guys the final product. Alright, module is installed. The little key fob scanner thing is right there. And boom. Like it came in 1998. This is dope. Alright, let's finish this install. Alright guys, everything's installed. Everything's put back together. Get some light. Alright, let's try it out. Got the nice little leather one. Oh, deactivated. Perfect. Push. And now she wrote. Hell yeah. Alright. That's cool. And then one click. Everything on. everything back off. Press the brake. Hey, this is dope. See how it doesn't turn off? Put on the brake. Boom. Then deactivate the system. And that's all she wrote. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days since that last clip. So far for the JDI system, I really like it, man. It's very convenient, it's really easy to use. I mean, for 120 bucks, you really can't beat it. It's awesome. Can't really get anything better than that. I mean, it's worth the money. Alright, with that being said, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I appreciate everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll give you a little teaser for next video on what's gonna happen with Project Integra.